Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to ThinkPic Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to check your TikTok profile URL, and without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. At first, we are going to open the app. My bitch so bad she can't even go outside. And then we are going to go to our profile. Select on the three dashes on the top right corner of our profile and go to settings and privacy. Here you can see under the accounts panel there's an option called share profile. Click on it, and what you can do is select copy link, and you can get your profile URL copied from this option. So that's how you share your profile URL on TikTok. So that's it for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can drop a comment down below and we will be glad to help you guys. If you have any other queries regarding this topic, and if you want to see more of us on your For You page, you can subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.